Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dobyeng jongpi.
Menteri Katanat Puli Putih Kejelau ba Lakmen Rumbui Ulaong. Bak Sorkar kan omelak setia ban penkelai ki polisi ki baladon lupa na benta ki Nonghikai bat kani ke jingkren jugu gede namar ke jingeki ki nong tre kontrak ke barang yai menta. Ulaong bat kotkum ki kendon joka NCTE ki Nonghikai ki haban pas ya ke Eksam Mtet and reway be ki Nonghikai ki be ki menta ki lapen sngo ya ke jing na ke jing he rata jongki ke Sorkar kan Pynjlan ya ke rata ke bahadu saupu Snem ru. Susu Ulaong bak Sorkar kala deptung ya ke babun ba ki bala pendap ya ke Mtet bat ke ke bak Sorkar kala ban le ya ke badon kam bat palat ya kata kamla ban le
It is the question of non-renewal of that appointment. As you know that since 2010-11, there is an appointment for stopgap arrangement for a period of 59 days and subject to renewal. After that, then in the midst of that, then come the NCTA norm, where all the regular appointment of the teachers should be as per NCTA norms, NCTE norms. Then after that, in the government of Meghalaya in 2017 have taken a decision to conduct the Mtet, and subsequently we have done that. So in the midst of that, the contractual teachers have met me many times in the 2018-19, but our stand is very clear that the policy which have already been there, we cannot change that. So, and I have they also told that since the age is not on their side, after conduction of the Mtet, they may not be able to apply. So we from the government, I have told them that for that we will try to take care. And if you could recall, subsequently, the education department is the first department which moved the government of Meghalaya to extend the age limit from 32 years for children tribe till 37 years. And not only that, provision also to keep a crashing year for those who are already in service, especially that means for death. But so that we have done, and Mtet have been conducted, many have passed, and subsequently the advertisement floated and appointment have been appointed in those vacant posts. So, and many 20-25% of those who are working before also has clear that they have got a regular appointment. So as of now, I cannot say anything. The question of that is long time back. It's not since 2020, if I'm not mistaken. So this is not a new thing. So as of now, or be it whatever we can, we have done. So beyond that, we cannot do anything. Because if you recall, there are so many officiating appointments. So, but subsequently, when the DSC recommend us or the MPSC recommend the candidate, as the case may be, so if they qualify, they got regular job. Those who didn't qualify, we cannot do anything. The policy could not be changed. Maybe, or those who are not successful in qualify, I mean not selected, that I don't know, but many have been selected and they have more than 1 year, they have enjoyed the regular appointment in the education department. If you tell from humanitarian point of view, we are very sympathized with everybody. Not only this, there are so many people who are caught in these circumstances. Not only in the teachers, but other department also from DSC or MPSC, as the case may be. Those recommended candidate got the job, and those are contractual or officiating portion, they always have to be their appointment have to be revoked. So on humanitarian point of view, we feel for them. That's why we go beyond that. I personally request the Honorable Chief Minister and the Cabinet to extend the age taking into consideration, so that those who are qualified, they could apply and could get a good job. So, but to change for anything beyond that I cannot say. Ya kini ke stop ka appointment 59 days lale haki khat bay khat ar khat lai khat sao khat san khat reu khat nhiều ter the Henry ultimately ka day he ban appoint ka regular appointment ka ban don katum ki norms ki bay day bat ka jingrung kam hikai den takada how arja khatra ladon representation ban regularize bay the ngi la express pa nginam la ban le ya kata but kila request ban take care about ya ka age ya karta Tengina dengan Sorkar nila pengkiu nak live arsha kalai new Snem shwa barok department kinle ya kata ngina education department namar kinik issue nila extend nak live arsha kalai new na unta schedule tribe but harus apa na unta bala hikai laslem haki common school ya kata ngila le te kibabun ngam dok kamdon kadam babat nga kiba la room ya curricular appointment hak recruitment ke bala det but nga expect ba ki bala pas Mtet badon kerta kinla hiban qualify hak ini ki hak neka advertisement ke bangsa kondok shen andala dependent ya kini ki roster advertisement of teach of this post is already was supposed to be in April. All the preparation different subdivision they have prepared the necessary thing, but subsequently the Honorable High Court have given the direction that all the future appointment, the government should follow strictly the roster system. So we have go back to the drawing board, and we hope that in a very short possible time we will able to complete, and we will be able to float advertisement and regular appointment could be done. There are many, the issue is very complex. It is not a question of one or two or three, complex, because there are some subdivision where the qualified Mtet is less, but there are some subdivision who have many qualified Mtet. But the recruitment is subdivision wise, so we cannot just turn the clock back. We have to look forward and move forward. Since we have moving forward, I hope this temporary thing we will able to sort out in the very short possible time.